Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlet Guide. I am Saurav Rogle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic presentation skills on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Rogle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. What is a presentation? Options are A. The way to read, write and understand a literary work. B. Technique to facing an interview. C. Process of presenting a topic to variety of audience. Or D. The way to wear dress properly. Correct option is C. Process of presenting a topic to variety of audience. Question number 2. What kind of information do we get through presentation? Options are A. Procedure of giving a present. B. Art of making presents. C. Career and lifestyle. Or D. A product, a subject and new idea. Correct option is D. A product, a subject and a new idea. Question number 3. What are the different ways of presentation? Options are A. Demonstration, introduction, lecture or speech. B. Singing and painting. C. Dancing, singing, writing and reading. Or D. Sculpture and carving. Correct option is A. Demonstration, introduction, lecture or speech. Question number 4. What are the aims of presentation skills? Options are A. Hate, disgust and repulsion. B. Inform, inspire, motivate, present new idea and persuade. C. Notify, alert, aware and awake. Or D. Warn, inform, tell, say, ask and advise. Correct option is B. Inform, inspire, motivate, present new idea and persuade. Question number 5. What are the uses of presentation skill? Options are A. Revisions and modifications. B. Gossips, chats, talks, debates and discussion. C. Rumors, stories, tales and news. Or D. Present reports, policy statements, proposal feasibility studies. Correct option is D. Present reports, policy statements, proposals feasibility studies. Question 6. Presentation is an important form of dash communication in the spheres of education. Options are A. Oral, B. Written, C. One way or D. Horizontal. Correct option is A. Oral. Question 7. How does presentation skill is closely linked to an individual? Options are A. Field work and reports. B. Service and jobs. C. Career and personal growth. Or D. Jobs and interview. Correct option is C. Career and personal growth. Question 8. Students, teachers, scientists, researchers, managers, sales and marketing executives and administrators need dash skill in the course of their everyday work. Options are A. Interview, B. Presentation, C. Marketing or D. Group discussion. Correct option is B. Presentation. Question number 9. Presentation skill provides information, teaching skills, reporting progress, selling a product or service, making a decision and dash. Options are A. Facing problem, B. Creating problem, C. Raising problem or D. Solving problem. Correct option is D. Solving problem. Question number 10. What is the full form of OHP? Options are A. Outer head projection, B. Overhead projector, C. Overload projector or D. Overhead projector. Correct option is B. Overhead projector. Question 11. What are the different kinds or types of presentation or visual aids? Options are A. OHP 35mm slides, flip charts, boards, PPT, scratch pads, video or film, and real objects. B. Interview, lecture, and argument. C. Textbook, notebook, guides, notes, reference books, study materials, etc. Or D. Speech, debate, and discussion. Correct option is A. OHP 35mm slides, flip charts, boards, PPT, scratch pads, video or film, and real objects. Question number 12. What kind of presentation tool is used frequently, effectively, and widely? Options are A. WhatsApp, B. PowerPoint, C. Email, or D. Film. Correct option is B. PowerPoint. Question number 13. Planning is the dash dash step of presentation. Options are A. Middle, B. Third, C. Final or last, or D. Initial or first. Correct option is D. Initial or first. Question number 14. Which point needs to be considered while selecting subject of the presentation? Options are A. Suits the occasion and the audience, B. Suits the place and payment, C. Suits the atmosphere, or D. Suits the performer and interest. Correct option is A. Suits the occasion and the audience. Question 15. What is the objective or the purpose of the content of presentation? Options are A. Guide, argue, and entertain the audience, B. Help to understand the subject, C. Inform, persuade, convince, report, or motivate the audience, or D. Motivate the readers. Correct option is C. Inform, persuade, convince, report, or motivate the audience. Question 16. The level of content, formality, and style of presentation depend on dash dash. Options are A. PowerPoint, B. Technical support, C. Sound system, or D. Level of the audience. Correct option is D. Level of the audience. Question 17. Understanding dash dash of the presentation can make it successful. Options are A. Style, B. Purpose, C. Size of the room, or D. Mood of the host. Correct option is B. Purpose. Question 18. Too much content can dash dash the effect of the presentation. Options are A. Diffuse or spoil, B. Useful, C. Helpful, or D. Improve. Correct option is A. Diffuse or spoil. Question 19. A 20 minutes presentation needs dash dash main points. Options are A. 6, B. 8, C. 5, or D. 10. Correct option is C. 5. Question 20. What are the requirements or needs of good presentation? Options are A. Preparation, practice, and effective use of technology, B. Suitable situation and interest of the audience, C. Be frank and wear proper dress, or D. Best technological support. Correct option is A. Preparation, practice, and effective use of technology. Question 21. A good presentation must have a beginning, dash dash, and an end. Options are A. A middle, B. A body, C. An outline, or D. A structure. Correct option is B. A body. Question 22. What are the three parts of constructing a content? Options are A. Introduction, thanks, and technology, B. Introduction, greeting, and thanks to the organizer, C. Greeting, presentation, and recap, or D. Introduction, question answer, and thanks. Correct option is C. Greeting, presentation, and recap. Question 23. What includes or consists in the first part of structuring the content or greeting? Options are A. Asking permission to start the presentation, B. greeting, doubts and question and answer session and vote of the thanks. C. Greeting and lighting the lamp in the hall. Or D. Greetings, brief and clear statement, purpose and an outline of the presentation. Correct option is D. Greetings, brief and clear statement, purpose and an outline of the presentation. Question 24. The second part of structuring content of the presentation includes dash dash. Options are A. Greeting, B. Introduction, C. Main content or internal structure, or D. PowerPoint. Correct option is C. Main content or internal structure. Question 25. Which part of presentation includes a brief recap or a summary of important points, remarks, thank the audience, and a brief session for questions and clarifications? Options are A. Second, B. Beginning, C. Middle, or D. Last or final or third. Correct option is D. Last or final or third. Question 26. What plays a vital role in the effective presentation? Options are A. Visual aids, B. Audio aids, C. Stylish aids, or D. Stereo system. Correct option is A. Visual aids. Question 27. The visual aids like dash dash support and make the presentation interesting. Options are A. Green and white boards, B. Chalk and duster, C. Slides and transparencies, or D. Smart boards and electricity. Correct option is C. Slides and transparencies. Question 28. Interest, hard work and sufficient dash dash can improve our presentation skill. Options are A. Space, B. Practice, C. Notes, or D. Chalks. Correct option is B. Practice. Question 29. Visual aids are used in business presentations to dash dash. Options are A. Illustrate a point, B. To entertain servants, C. To attract customers, or D. To improve sales. Correct option is A. Illustrate a point. Question 30. OHP PowerPoint presentations and smart boards are called dash dash visual aids. Options are A. Wi-Fi, B. Biotech, C. Hi-Fi, or D. High-Tech. Correct option is D. High-Tech. Question 31. Flip charts, posters, props and models, graphs, maps and charts are known as dash dash. Options are A. Simple visual aids, B. Difficult visual charts, C. Complicated visual charts, or D. Complex visual charts. Correct option is A. Simple visual aids. Question 32. The slides, charts or transparencies should be in the dash dash order to match the sequence. Options are A. Left, B. Right, C. Right, or D. Wrong. Correct option is C. Right. Question 33. Too much information on one visual can make the slide dash dash. Options are A. Readable, B. Unreadable, C. Visible, or D. Invisible. Correct option is B. Unreadable. Question 34. Slide and transparencies must contain dash dash points or short sentences. Options are A. Bold and italic, B. Underline, C. Bold letters, or D. Keywords or phrases. Correct option is D. Keywords or phrases. Question 35. How many maximum words a slide should contain? Options are A. 11, B. 10, C. 20, or D. 12. Correct option is B. 10. Question 36. What is the proper time to distribute handouts to the audience? Options are A. End of the presentation, B. Beginning of the presentation, C. During question answer session, or D. Before the presentation. Correct option is A. End of the presentation. Question 37. A complicated design or too many effects may dash dash the audience. Options are A. Stimulate, B. Appeal, C. Attract, or D. Confuse or distract? Correct option is D. Confuse or distract. Question 38. What care should be taken about a projector before starting the presentation? Or check proper functioning, position and dash dash of the projector. Options are A. Check proper functioning, position and brightness. B. Check size, weight and color. C. Check name of the brand, contrast and brightness. Or D. Check shape, color and position. Correct option is A. Check proper functioning, position and brightness. Question 39. Hello everyone. Good morning. I am happy to welcome you all here today. I am Mr. XYZ. Let me tell you something about myself are the examples of dash dash. Options are A. Brief recap or a summary. B. Opening remark or greeting. C. Questions and clarifications. Or D. Distributing handouts. Correct option is B. Opening remark or greeting. Question 40. As you know, the subject of my presentation today is dash dash, or I am here this morning to dash dash, or the purpose of my talk today is to dash dash, or in my presentation today I am going to dash dash are the examples of dash dash. Options are A. Express attitude. B. Starting to talk. C. Stating the purpose. Or D. Sharing information. Correct option is C. Stating the purpose. Question 41. I have divided my presentation into dash dash, or I'll begin by dash dash and after that I'll deal with dash dash. The presentation will conclude with dash dash. I'll be talking about dash dash issue or area, or firstly dash dash, secondly dash dash, thirdly dash dash, or my talk has 4 parts. Dash dash are the examples of giving dash dash of the topic in presentation. Options are A. An outline. B. An introduction. C. Conclusion. Or D. Beginning. Correct option is A. An outline. Question 42. If you have any questions, please feel free to pass them, or if want to ask any questions, I will do my best to answer them, or if there are any questions, I will be pleased to answer them are the examples of dash dash. Options are A. Solving questions. B. Raising questions. C. Inviting questions. Or D. Answering questions. Correct option is C. Inviting questions. Question 43. Voice of presentation should be according to the size of the dash dash. Options are A. Stage and the audience. B. Projector and the amplifier. C. Room and the mic. Or D. Room and the audience. Correct option is D. Room and the audience. Question 44. Good presentation needs preparation, time management, physical appearance, voice and dash dash signals. Options are A. Non-verbal. B. Verbal. C. Hand. Or D. Eye. Correct option is A. Non-verbal. Question 45. Facial expressions, eye contact and body language are the examples of dash dash communication, or communication without word is called dash dash communication. Options are A. Non-verbal. B. Verbal. C. Body. Or D. Oral. Correct option is A. Non-verbal. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.